Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the project and saving a duplicate so you can undo freely. Next, click the specific track region or whole track you want to speed up. This targets changes. For audio, enable flex time from the track menu so tempo edits remain musical. For MIDI, show the region inspector. Once done, decide whether you need uniform speed for the whole track or just a segment, because that determines whether you edit the region or the project tempo. You now perform the change. For audio, select flex time and use the speed parameter or enable varaspeed to adjust tempo globally, because flex preserves pitch while altering timing. For MIDI, change the BPM in the transport bar or compress the region length while holding Option to retain timing relationships. Make small adjustments, like 1% to 20%, and play back after each tweak so you can judge groove and pitch. If multiple tracks must match, group them or change the master tempo instead of single. You finish by listening through the full mix and exporting a short bounce to verify timing across all devices. Make sure to check for artifacts. If audio sounds glitchy, reduce the speed change amount or try warp markers on problematic sections. If pitch changes, enable pitch correction or bypass varaspeed. Once satisfied, commit changes by saving. If something goes wrong and tracks degrade, revert to the duplicated project copy you made at the start. This saves you from permanent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.